Let's solve one previous question of group. This question was asked in GATE CS 2010, question number 4. Consider the set S equals to 1 W W square, where W and W square are cube root of unity. If star denotes the multiplication operation, the structure S star form a dash. Let's first create the composition table. Before creating composition table, just remember WQ equals to 1. We'll use this formula for creating the composition table. Now we'll write multiplication here, 1 W W square. At top also 1 W W square. Now 1 time 1 1, W time 1 W, W square into 1 W square. Next 1 into W W, W into W W square. Then W square into W W Q, W Q equals to 1. Next 1 into W square, W square, W into W square, it's WQ, it's 1. Next W square into W square, it's W power 4. That we can write as WQ into W, and WQ is 1. 1 into W, so it will be W. So W square into W square, it will be W. Its closure, as the composition table contain only 1 W W square, it's inside this, that's why it is closure. Next, multiplication is associative, hence it is associative. Let's check the identity. Here 1 is the identity, as by multiplying 1 we are getting the same element. So identity equals to 1, identity exists. Next is inverse exists. For W, inverse is W square, as by multiplying W square we are getting the identity element 1. So by which element will do the multiplication or binary operation, that will get the identity element. Next, inverse of W square is W. So by multiplying with W we are getting identity element 1. It satisfies all the group property. It is closure, associative, identity element exists, also the inverse exists for each element, hence it is a group. So the set 1 W W square is a group with respect to multiplication. I already discussed group, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.